Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, 6-speed manual transmission, standard, 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.